let people into the building. That's what the buzzer's for.
There's no sign there. There's no policy that says that. There's no policy that says that. I believe what you're telling me is unlawful.
You saw what happened when we were in the auditor's office when that bell was ringing in front of you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is that somebody else? I'll let them in too. Is that against the law, sir?
Yeah, if
What's
you,
the law?
if you do, it's security for this building.
Where's the policy that says citizens are not allowed to let the next guy in the door?
Get me 402 up here.
May I see the policy? You're telling me letting somebody into our public building is illegal?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the whole point, that's why the in front of the police station, that door.
That door was wide open.
That door's wide open right now because there's an officer sitting there, okay? That officer basically, when you enter this building, you're pre-screened by the person that answers the buzzer.
Who pre-screened me in the building?
I don't know. Who buzzed you in?
Nobody. The door was open.
Which door?
The police door.
Okay.
So that's a pre-screening? I walk in. I'm a guy with a trespass warning, told not to come back to this building.
We were advised as soon as you entered our parking lot that you were here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I was out there walking around
Okay.
on the public sidewalk.
But you can't let somebody into a locked door.
Is that door locked, sir?
That door is.
Locked door. Use this door. Please use other door. What law am I breaking?
I'm not doing the law stuff with you.
Well, you're a law enforcement officer, are you not,
leaving?
sir?
Are you leaving right
Or
now?
are you a feelings
Are
enforcer?
you leaving right now?
No.
See what we had to talk about earlier, the instigation. Here you go, instigating again. Oh, throw a camera in my face.
Put that in your face some more.
Okay.
15 feet away.
Okay.
Let's babysit a law-abiding citizen. Hello again. I had a question. I'm not sure if your department would have it or not, but the elevator certificate's expired. Do you have any idea who's in charge of that?
I do not. I will have to check the mayor's office.
Okay. So you don't have any records of the previous ones then?
I do not.
Okay. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Pat told me to let somebody in the front door. I've explained to him that that's a security risk. And then he brought up the point, well, your door's supposed to be locked in front of the police station. It was open. So you're basically pre-screened by an officer looking at who comes in and goes.
So what are we doing here?
Sitting down for a minute. Is that illegal?
I think you have no trespassing order, don't you?
Well, then why haven't I been arrested, sir? What do you do? What's the policy for your trespass warnings? You issue them,
We issue them,
and then what?
then we'll give you a warning for the first time, tell you not to do it,
Why didn't he do that?
because maybe he just didn't, I don't know. He's
Who
still
are you?
here, right?
Who are you?
Jim, let's go.
Who are you, sir?
Sergeant Rambo.
Sergeant Ryan.
Yes.
And what are you doing to me now?
But you have a trespass order, right? Is that the trespass order? Do you need me to give you a copy, another copy of it?
What does the trespass order say that I'm not allowed to do?
It says that you need to, if you're here, you got to do legal business. Do you have legal business here?
Am I not allowed to sit down and think about how I want to write out a public records request, sir?
Oh, you want to...
Maybe I'm going to use the restroom.
How are you going to write? Can you write?
I can write.
Oh, do you need anything to write it on?
No, I got it right there.
Good.
I don't need anything from you, sir.
Look, Looks like you do.
He has already made a public request in the auditor's office,
2 of them,
2 of them.
Okay.
technically. Or at least a question about one. Maybe I should go back and put it in writing, asking for that certificate that's expired.
Certificate that's expired.
Yeah.
The elevator certificate, the one that he saw is stating is expired.
So how many other things are you gonna find wrong that you're gonna write out for?
Well, let's get back to this trespass warning, sir.
Do you want me to go get it for you? I'll get you another copy.
I don't need you to get me anything.
Oh, because you already have a copy?
What
You're
is-
acknowledging that you have a copy of it?
I'm asking.
Are you acknowledging
I'm
you have a
asking
copy
you
of
what
it?
your policy is.
I'll go get you a copy of it.
I don't need a copy, I want the policy
I'll give you a copy of it,
of
James.
your procedures.
Because I know you're gonna want it, James.
I don't know why the Constitution is so hard to understand these days. I just don't get it. What he says completely contradicts what you said.
No, I said if you're able to maintain your composure and here conduct yourself businesslike without instigating any problems and you have business, how can I stop you?
What have I done wrong?
Well, right now you let somebody in a locked door downstairs.
I
there's
let
reason for
somebody
that.
in a door of a public building.
Here you go again. You're getting up here.
Where's the policy or the law that says I'm not allowed to open a door and let somebody in a public building?
Well, if you're just standing down there letting people in, that's not.
Is that what I was doing?
I don't know.
Well, then why are you even questioning me about it?
Because my captain advised me to let
Captain
you know
Brooks?
that can't happen.
Why can't it happen? Because he don't want it to?
The doors are locked for a reason.
What's the reason?
That's like saying you have a house guest and
Why-
somebody,
Why are the doors
one of
to
those
this
house
public
guests are just
building?
letting anybody in your house.
You're completely making private property and public property. You're
That has
making no
nothing to do
sense.
with this.
Where does your policy say that citizens aren't allowed to open the door?
For other people?
Yeah, it's common courtesy. It's a nice thing to do to someone. You know, hold the door, open the door. I was walking by and the guy was walking right up to it, so I pushed it open. And that's a crime?
And then came back into the building?
I never left the building.
Exactly. So what was your purpose in opening the door?
I
What was
noticed the
your
guy wanting to come
What
in.
was your purpose of being at the door?
What's your purpose of questioning me?
Why aren't you answering my questions?
Because I don't have to, sir.
I don't have to answer yours either, James.
You're a law
But I'm
enforcement
being nice
officer.
and answering.
I'm trying to ask you,
Don't turn this into I'm a law enforcement officer thing.
are you not a law enforcement officer?
Absolutely.
Or are you a feelings enforcer? Because I think Captain
There,
Brooks
keep
is just a
poking.
little upset.
Keep poking.
Poking at
I'm
what?
not Captain Brooks.
Am I not allowed to speech what I think? Am I not allowed to voice my opinion?
When you're trying to instigate, sure.
What am I instigating, sir?
You're trying to instigate. You're trying to tell me, or get me to say something that's off the wall that can be used against me later on. That's not going to happen.
Sir, I'm just trying to get the official policy for not opening the door.
It's a locked door.
Okay, who locked it?
The city department that's down there. That's to secure the people coming in and out of the water
What
department.
department that's down there?
As I said before.
Who locks
you
the
wi-
door?
Don't talk over me. You talk over me,
Is that
and this
illegal?
conversation's over.
Okay, then.
I'll just stand here and look at you like I
Okay.
have been. How's that?
That sounds great.
Okay. Is your business done in this building? I have a feeling it is.
Have I broken a law?
Well, if you don't have business here right now, then you are violating the trespass order. Your warning will be done. Sergeant Ryan Bolt and I will remove you from the building.
So you're gonna remove me from the building that I've been removed from?
Yep.
that gonna work out for you?
Great for me, probably not for you.
Really? You should read up on the law some, sir.
Okay.
Do you think
What law school did you go to?
the one of the Fostoria police and public servants screwing you over and teaching yourself some laws? I guarantee you I'm more familiar and educated on the constitutional rights of citizens than you are. Unfortunately, because public records request
preaching.
indicated that
Keep preaching.
you don't even take an oath to the Constitution.
Keep reaching.
Reaching for what?
Reaching.
Reaching. Just stating facts, dude. Facts.
No, you're stating your beliefs, not facts.
Okay. So you tell me, so let me get this right. Your department, the Fostoria Police Department, issues me a trespass warning and tells me I'm not allowed to come to this building. But now here we are in this building. Why haven't you enforced the trespass warning?
You were conducting legal business. Now you're not.
How do you know I'm not?
You're sitting here arguing, trying to start an argument.
So what are you doing?
Being
You're-
professional and waiting for my sergeant to return.
Okay. That's leaving me. Is there a reason you keep following me, sir? Have I broken a law? Have I done something wrong? Have I done something wrong?
Are you conducting business here?
Are you demanding that I give up my personal information to be in this building?
Are you conducting business here?
Do you not feel that you're
Are you
violating my
conducting
rights?
business here?
I'm not comfortable answering any questions to you.
Okay. Got all day, just like you.
Great use of tax dollars to stand here and stare at me with evil eye.
I'll go this way.
You're making her uncomfortable. She doesn't even feel safe to walk through here now.
I know her better than you.
I'm sure you do.
Still conducting business?
Thinking about it, it's kind of hard with people breathing over me. Am I breaking a law?
Yes, if you're not here to conduct business.
You should enforce that law then.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my sergeant to bring you your trespass notice.
You giving me another one?
Well, no, I'm sure that we're going to enforce on the first one if you're not conducting business.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, some more paper?
Yeah, just a
Thanks.
copy, they said you can have a copy. So your business is concluded.
How do you know?
You can leave the building.
I'm not allowed to use the restroom?
You sir.
You were afforded the opportunity
You
to
were
use
already
the
afforded the
restroom.
opportunity. You were resting, and then you decided to.
He's just stalling now.
He was calling me on the dispatch phone incessantly today.
He said,
I have almost, I think I've got like 50 to 75 calls on the dispatch phone from him today.
Stop recording.